Guys, here is why you should never ever tamper with fire alarm equipment. These here are life safety devices. These save people's lives. These are there to alert people that the building is on fire and they must leave now. So never tamper with these. Never flip the dip switches on the alarm. Never do this. Never take the wires or jumpers out of the alarm. Never take the strobe off the alarm. Never take the plate off the alarm. Don't paint the alarm. Don't change the candela or tones. Don't ever try to take the alarm off the wall and take it with you. Leave the alarm on the wall the way it is. Never ever tamper with fire alarms. Bye.